Hello students, I am Sonal Pathak from our official YouTube channel My College Buddy. I hope that you are doing great. So आज की वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं SRM University, Delhi NCR, सोनीपत, हरियाणा. This university has been approved by UGC, University Grant Commission. अगर हम establishment की बात करें, so this university was established in the year 2013. SRM University is a full-fledged university established by Haryana State Government under the Private University Act 2006. अगर हम रैंकिंग की बात करें, so by Education World 2021, this university ranked first in India for excellence in IT-enabled learning. अब हम इस यूनिवर्सिटी के कोर्सेज, फीस स्ट्रक्चर एंड एलिजिबिलिटी की बात कर लेते हैं. So for BTech, the fees structure is 2.1 lakh for 2 years and the eligibility is 10 plus 2 with 55% of marks. For MTech course, the fees structure is 1.41 lakh and the eligibility is graduation with 50% marks, which will be followed by entrance test. For PhD course, the fees structure is 1.6 lakh and the eligibility is post graduation with 55% marks. अगर हम इस यूनिवर्सिटी के एडमिशन प्रोसीजर की बात करें, so this university offers both online and offline mode of application for the admission to the student. The official website of the university has been mentioned in the description and it has been shared on the screen as well. The final selection of the candidate will be based on SRM JEE entrance test. अगर हम scholarships की बात करें, so this university provides scholarship in tuition fees to students who scores above 98 percentile in JEE mains exam. अगर हम infrastructure की बात करें, so this university offers hostel facilities to students with AC and non-AC rooms. There are some other facilities like 4-time meals, free Wi-Fi connection and a library with more than 80,000 volumes available there. अगर हम faculty की बात करें, so the faculty of the college, especially the teaching staff, are very helpful and supportive. अब हम इस यूनिवर्सिटी के लास्ट ईयर के कट ऑफ की बात कर लेते हैं. So for general category, it was 88.4 percentile and for EWS it was 63.11 percentile. For OBC category it was 63 percentile. For SC it was 46 percentile and for ST it was 26 percentile. अब हम इस यूनिवर्सिटी के सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट प्लेसमेंट्स की बात कर लेते हैं. So this university offers campus placements with internship program as well. अगर हम टॉप रिक्रूटर्स की बात करें, so they are TCS Digital, Vedanto Innovation, Bisleri, IBM, etc. So I hope that you got all the relevant information about SRM University, Delhi NCR, Haryana, Sonipat. So for any query, you can comment in the comment box and you can subscribe to our channel, My College Buddy.